Hi everyone! Ako si Adrian Luke. Tara, tuloy kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Welcome to Look Beyond the Classroom, where learning has no limit. How do you use this? Ako po ay isang educator, edtech coach, advocate of continuous learning and professional development. Ginawa ko po ang Look Beyond the Classroom for all lifelong learners, most especially to my fellow Filipinos, to showcase best and useful digital tools, tips and tricks, tutorials, travel, and adventure. My channel aims to motivate the viewers in increasing their productivity, creativity, engagement, and to develop a culture of innovation. Stick around for more exciting and informative videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get the latest updates from this channel. So let's look beyond, explore, and move forward. Class dismissed.